Hey everyone, welcome to the new session of the prompt engineering. My name is Gyanendra and I'm going to talk you about the prompt engineering today. What is the plan for today's lecture? So, into this lecture, I'm going to talk about the prompt engineering. What is prompt engineering? Why prompt engineering matters? What are the types of prompt engineering like instruction based prompts and few short prompts, and what are the prompting frameworks, and the comparison between the prompt types, what are the best practices for the prompt engineering, and the conclusion for the whole topic. So let's go one by one into this lecture or tutorial. So first talk about the definition of the prompt. So what is a prompt engineering first of all? So prompt engineering involves designing and refinement of the prompt to optimize AI models uh, so that we can get the desired outcome out of it, and it enhances the model performance also. So effective prompt engineering minimizes the stochastic variation, guide the model to reach towards the accurate and reliable outputs, improve user interaction by clarifying the user intent. Prompt engineering foster better communication by enhancing overall user experience with AI systems. So now talking about what is a prompt. So a prompt is in AI serves as an initial input, guiding the model's response and output. And the structure of the prompt consists of the system prompt, user prompt, and context to elicit precise model responses. So talking about the if we will talk about the what is a user prompt or system prompt. So system prompt is a kind of fixed instruction to the model, and user prompt is the input query from the user itself, and the context is the additional context to for the answer to the question, like document, website, or any example that you want to give to the model. So that is about the structure of the prompt. For example, system prompt to define the model behavior, user prompt to ask questions, and context as an additional information we give to the model. So now why prompt engineering matters. So the prompt engineering reduces the stochasticity to the of the model. So prompt engineering effectively minimizes the stochastic variations in the responses, enhancing the consistency and reliability across AI interactions. It also mitigates the hallucinations by leveraging the structured prompts. We can significantly reduce the hallucinations in AI outputs, ensuring factual accuracy, and also abstraction of model differences by creating tailored framework allows for abstraction between model differences, streamlining the workflows across the varied AI systems. Now, talking about the types of prompting, so prompts. So one is instruction-based prompt. So in the instruction-based prompt, we have different types of prompt like instruction. So it utilizes the frameworks like RISE to enhance the clarity and guides of AI to deliver the accurate results. So in the RISE, we know that like in this framework, we will talk into the later slide. So it use role, input, steps in and expectations into the prompts, and then based on that, it is going to give a comprehensive analytics reports effectively. And also I preferably use this RISE because I have like whenever I'm using this RISE framework, it definitely give me better results. So I usually use this RISE framework. Also talking about the COT for the logical progression. So chain of thought prompting encourages systematic breakdowns of the topics, ensuring cohesive narratives and informed outputs from the model. Now talking about the type 2, that is few shot. So into the few shot prompting, like they are like we give some examples to the model, so that the model along with the instructions, so that model can get insights from the examples, and it can give the results based on that. Like, so there can be few shot, zero shot, or one shot prompts also. So based on the number of examples that you wanted to give, so it is categorized into three different types also. So one of the benefit of the few short learning is that it improves the output quality, enables the model to harness the contextual cues for enhanced response accuracy. Now, talking about the prompting frameworks, so there are so many prompting frameworks, but those I like and I use day to day, that I have mentioned that here. So one is RISE framework, that is role, input, steps, expectations. So like, what happens into this one, we define the role. So suppose you wanted to ask to the model to work as a data scientist, or as a clinician, or as a lawyer, or something else, and then you give input as PDF or any information that you wanted to give to the model, and then you define the steps, what steps that model need to follow up, and then you clearly mention what is your expectation from the model is. So that is very much good, and into this one we get very clear responses and precise answers also. So talking about the next one, that is ape approach. So into this one we have to define action, purpose, and expectation from the model, to give comprehensive and target uh, like target audience effectively, so that it can give response according to the audience. So into this one we have to define the action, what uh, what actions model need to perform, what is the purpose that we of the prompt, and what is the expectation that we wanted from the model. And in the chain of thought prompting, so in the chain of thought prompting, what we do is that we systematically decompose the topic, aid the coherent narratives, and preserve the logical flows into the responses into this one. If you talk about these ones, so if you will see, so the main in the rise one, like, it can work as an analyst to evaluate the current trends in the renewable energy, and then input can be a global energy reports, recent technological advancements and policy changes, and then steps can be identify the key trends, compare fossil fuels, energy, etc. And then expectations can be comprehensive report or conclusion for the stakeholders. Similarly, one of the example for the ape, that can be like action, how to define action. So like, action can be develop a comprehensive marketing strategy for upcoming product launch, and the purpose to maximize the market penetration and brand awareness about the company or launch. And then expectation could be provide a detailed and plan, including demographics, digital and traditional marketing channels, key messaging strategies, etc. And into the a chain of thought, so into the chain of thought we have to describe the introduction, breakdown, logical progression, and conclusion. So suppose you wanted to describe the logical uh, explore the economic impacts of adopting renewable energy, breakdown, like start the cost of renewable energy technology, and then consider the employment, etc. And logical progression, analyze and how initial investment cost lead to long economic and environmental benefits, and then in conclusion you can summarize. Then comparing about the different so chain instruction based prompt and few shots. So into the instruction based prompt we give the guidance, flexibility, and contextual reliance, and to the few shot we give the examples to the model. So talking about the best practices, So it will be good if we use iterative refinement strategy, if we have clear to our instructions and appropriate formatting of the instruction. So it will be more, the model will be able to generate good results. So in summary, I would like to say that the various prompts significantly influences AI effectiveness, adapting interactions based on the user needs and objectives. It is very much useful into the AI applications to do the prompt engineering, and especially developers has very much practical implications when they give good prompts to the model, then generate the good outputs also or codes. Thank you so much.